Okay, we'll go for next problem. Where we stopped in the last class? X of t is equal to r of t plus 2 minus 2 r of t plus r of t minus 2, right? Last problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll try for next problem. Take x of t problem number 135. We take x of t is equal to r of t plus 2 minus r of t plus 1 minus r of t minus 1 plus r of t minus 2. Can you try this problem? The first signal is t plus 2 is equal to 0, so t is equal to minus 2. This will be t is equal to minus 1. This will be t is equal to plus 1. This will be t is equal to plus 2. The first signal minus 2. First, if t less than minus 2, where x of t will be 0, there is no signal. The signal is from minus 2 to minus 1, means the signal minus 2 is vary between minus 1, that is x of t will be first equation. I am going to consider from this point to this point, I need to consider this one, t plus 2 interval. This is not u of t. If it is u of t, we are going to take amplitude, but this is your r of t. We need to consider time interval into this amplitude. This is 1 r of t. R of t, it indicates that 1 r of t, so that 1 into t plus 2. Next, this is, it will be starts at minus 1, ends at plus 1, means from minus 1 less than or equal to t less than plus 1, where x of t is equal to, what is the previous signal we got, previous output?
T plus.
And the present output will be minus of t minus 1. Minus of t minus 1. What is the value you will get? Plus t minus t gets cancelled. 2 minus 1, 1 you are going to get. Next, we are going to consider from this point to this point. Means 1 less than or equal to t less than 2. So that x of t is equal to, what is the previous output? We have a 1 is my previous output. Now I need to consider, here we have a plus of t minus 2, plus of t minus 2, that is equal to, what is the value you will get? Minus 2 plus 1. What is the value? Mele. One to two. Sorry?
Minus t plus 1.
Hmm. See, this is not
1 plus 1 minus of t minus 1, sir.
no. This is not t
1
minus
minus
2. You make it t minus 1. Sorry, t plus 1. Sorry, t minus 1. T minus 2 only you take. Okay, try. We'll check what you will get. 1 plus t minus 2.
2
Minus 2
minus
plus
t,
1.
sir.
Huh?
2 minus t.
2 minus t ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
T minus 1.
Already 1 plus t minus 2. 1 minus 2. What is the value? T minus 1
So
you will
minus
get.
2 sir, but
Huh?
plus 1 sir.
Sir, but I'll 1 minus of t minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು sir.
Here.
Previous term.
See, this one
sir.
is previous output. Huh?
Yes sir.
This one is previous output. Then plus t minus 2.
Present t
Plus
minus 1.
t minus 2. 1 plus t minus 2. What is the value? This is plus t only. This is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. What is the value?
Sir, present one minus t plus 1 sir. Third one.
Which one?
T equals to 1.
Sir, you have to consider t minus 1, sir.
Minus of t minus 1, that one sir.
Which one? Third one.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Minus of t minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus t plus 1 you will get. Okay. Check the value. What you will get, we'll see.
2 minus t sir.
2 minus
t, sir.
T.
T.
Here 2 minus t you will get.
No, sir. There 1
Not
is
yes,
right, sir.
Here you will get 2 minus t. Okay.
Yes,
Yes sir.
sir. 2 minus t.
ಅದು t minus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ sir. Minus t plus 1 sir.
Okay, for t greater than or equal to 2, you will get x of t, which is the last equation.
2 minus
2
t
minus
plus t minus 2.
t minus
2
Zero.
minus t plus t minus 2, you will get 0.
0.
Oh, I have made a mistake here, right? I need to take -1.
Yes, sir.
Not -1.
Plus 1,
Minus
sir.
t plus 1. Yes, yes.
1 minus of t minus 1, sir.
Correct. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. Okay, sketch the signal for this. See, the signal will be starts at -2, ends at +2. Means you will be like this: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, no need to consider this one. Anyhow, t less than -2, it will be 0. Greater than also, it will be 0. No need to consider this one. Just consider this one. Okay, from -2 to this point, I need to check. Okay, I will take t plus 2. Okay, first substitute t is equal to -2 for this equation. What you will get? -2 plus 2, you will get 0. 0, no? 0 alva. Then t is equal to -1 in the above equation. -1 plus 2, you will get
1, sir.
1.
1. Okay, from -2 to -1 is over. From -1 to +1. -1 to +1, what is the equation? We got a value. From -1 to +1, we have a value, that is amplitude 1. Got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, what is 2 minus 2? 2 minus t from where to where? From 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Now substitute t is equal to 1 first. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We already got. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the point. Means it will be from -2 to -1, it will be vary. Then it will be constant for one amplitude, and then it will be decrease. This is your t and this is your x of t. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Take next problem. Shall I move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
X of t is equal to r of t plus 3 minus 2 r of t plus 2 plus plus 2 r of t minus r of t minus 1. Try this problem. See here, this will be from t is equal to -3, t is equal to -2, t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1. What you will get? T less than -3, or x of t will be 0. Then from -3 to -2. -3 less than or equal to t less than -2. X of t is equal to t plus 3. Then from -2 to -0. X of t is equal to, say, from -2 to 0. What is the previous output we got? We got t plus 3. T plus 3 is our previous output. The present interval is t plus 2. That is -2 into t plus 2. Here -2 into t plus 2. Then you will get t plus 3 minus 2t minus into plus into minus minus 4. What you will get finally?
Minus t minus 1.
Minus t minus 1 you will get. Okay, then from next signal will be from 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to t less than 1. X of t is equal to, previous output will be minus t minus 1. Minus t minus 1. Next plus 2 times of t. Plus 2 times of t. That is equal to, what is the value you will get?
T minus 1.
T minus 1. Okay. Then finally t greater than 1. Greater than or equal to 1. So x of t will be, what is the present value? T minus 1. Next minus of t minus 1. That is t minus 1 minus t plus 1. T gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. You will get 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we need to sketch a signal for the given. Okay, the signal starts from -3, ends at +1. Before less than -3, it will be 0. After +1, it will be 0. So that you have to sketch the signal is from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. -3, less than -3, it will be 0, no issues. After 1, it will be 0, no issues. The signal will be ends at +1, starts at -3. Okay, now we need to check for -3 to -2. What is the equation we got? T plus 3. For this equation, first substitute -3. T is equal to -3. First one, -3 plus 3 will get 0. Second one, we need to substitute -2. -2 plus 3. What is the value?
1, sir.
1 will get. So at -3 it is 0. At 2 it will be 1. Am I right? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next signal will be -2 to, sorry. Any doubts? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
From -2 to 0. What is the equation? Minus t minus 1. First substitute -2. Minus of -2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. You will get 1 only. At -2 you will get 1. Next -1. You will get minus of -1 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 1. You will get 0. At 1 it will be, at -1 it will be 0. Okay, next for 0 it will be, at 0 it will be -1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Getting everyone? Then from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 it is t minus 1. First substitute t is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 you will get minus 1 only. Then substitute t is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So that you will get here. Means the signal will be starts here. It will be going positive 1. Then it will be reaches to minus 1 at 0. Then from minus 1 to 0 will be minus 1. Then from 0 to 1 it will be 0. This is your x of t. This is your time slot t. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Can you try next problem? X of t is equal to x of t is equal to u of t minus r of t minus 1 plus 2 r of t minus 2 minus r of t minus 3 plus u of t minus 4 minus 2 u of t minus 5. It is a combination of both r of t as well as t of t. Okay, there is nothing confusion in this. Okay, definitely one problem for external and one problem for internal. For first IA, you will get like this combination of both u of t and r of t. As usual, how we are going to take u of t? For u of t, you just take an amplitude of u. Then when you are going to take the r of t, this time interval with the amplitude. Same procedure you follow, you will get the answer. Okay. For t less than 0, it will be 0. From 0 to 1, it will be 1. Why? Because you have a u of t. Then from 1 to 2, previous output will be 1. In addition with a minus t minus 1. Minus of t minus 1. Like that you have to take. Can you try this problem?
Yes, sir.
I will take the intervals first. We will take the intervals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that the signal will be from 0 to 5. Okay. First will be t less than 0. T less than or equal to 0, where x of t is equal to 0. From 0 to 1, it will be 0 to 1. The first signal will be amplitude 1. Why? Because it's a u of t. Then the signal from 1 to 2. 1 less than or equal to t less than 2. X of t is equal to previous output will be 1. Then the next will be minus of t minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus t plus 1. Then you will get, what you will get? Minus t plus 2 you will get. Then from 2 less than or equal to t less than 3. 2 to 3. We need to consider t minus 2. T minus 2 we need to consider. What is the previous output? We have a x of t is equal to minus t plus 2. Okay. What is the previous present output? 2 into plus 2 into t minus 2. 2 into t minus 2. You will get minus t plus 2 plus 2t minus into plus minus, it will be 4. Finally, what you will get? 2t minus t minus
T minus
no 2t minus 2. T minus 2 you will get. Then from 3 to 4. 3 to 4, that is your x of t is equal to previous output will be t minus 2. Then this will be minus of t minus 3, means minus t plus 3. Am I right?
Yes,
What you will get? Tt gets cancelled. 3 minus 2. 1 you will get. Then 4 less than t less than 5. X of t is equal to previous output will be 1. Then this is u of t. Don't consider t plus 4. You just consider an amplitude. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Then 4 to 5 is over. Then t greater than or equal to 5. X of t is equal to previous output will be 2. This amplitude, this is u of t. This amplitude will be minus 2. That is equal to 0. Got the same intervals, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T less than 0, x of t is 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 2, it will be minus t plus 2, 2 to 3, t minus 2, 3 to 4, 1, 4 to 5, 2, greater than or equal to 5, 0. Can you sketch the signal? I'll give 2 minutes time. You have to sketch the signal. Then please turn on your video mode, everyone. I want to see the answer. I will not call your numbers. Everyone should turn on your video mode. Sorry, camera. Two minutes time. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆದವ್ರಿಗೆ. Those who are exit now, don't come to the class next. Make it fast. 2 minutes time. Sketch the signal. Turn on your camera. Syed Khalil Basha. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ. All of you turn on your camera. Manoj Deep. Yes, your answer is ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. 3 to 4 1 4 to 5 2. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೋಜ್ ದೀಪ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಖಲೀಲ್ ಬಾಷಾ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಅವ್ರವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಪಣೀಂದ್ರ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಸುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ವರ್ಷಿತಾ ಓಕೆ. N Harshita, okay. Sharath, show me properly. Okay, Sharath, okay. What about others? Madhusudan Reddy,
Doing that.
Surendra, Nitushri, Yamini, Nitin, Nivedita, Omkar Kiran Shet, Harshavardhan Reddy, Prajwal, Priyanka, Rachana, Raghukumar, Rahul, Rajesh, Ranjita, Ruchit, Sagar, Shashank, Shishira, Shravani. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ರೀ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please download the assignment questions. Who is this? Nitin. Okay, done. Nitin N. Vinita D. Okay, download your assignment questions. Please solve it by end of this week. I had given last date is Saturday. Before that, please submit. Write the assignment, scan it, and upload. Upload in the Teams itself. Okay, try for next problem. Okay, take this problem, homework problem. Take one homework problem, solve it in assignment book. X of t is equal to r of t plus 1 minus r of t plus u of t minus 1 minus 2u of t minus 2. Okay, solve it in this assignment book. We go for next problem. Next problem 138 or 139. Sketch the second derivative of the following. First and second derivative of the following. X of t is equal to r of t plus 2 minus r of t plus 1 minus r of t minus 1 plus r of t minus 2. You have to derivative for both first and second derivative of the following signal. They had given x of t is equal to r of t. If I am going to derive r of t, first take x dash of t, take same signal r dash of t plus 2 minus r dash of t plus 1 minus r dash of t minus 1 plus r dash of t minus 2. Now derive d x dash of t by dt, that is equal to you will get differentiation of r of t is n bar 3. What is the derivative of r of t? U of t. Okay. U of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 1, sorry, this is t plus 1 plus u of t minus 2. For this equation, you have to sketch this signal. What is the procedure? T less than 2, it will be 0. From from minus 2 to plus 1, it will be 1. Then from minus 1 to plus 1, previous output with minus 1, you get 0. Like that, you have to sketch the signal for given signal. Next, this is your first derivative. Then we need to derive second derivative. Second derivative for this. Okay. Already we have discussed in the last class. If you are going to get u of t, then it will becomes delta of t. Now my x dash of t will be u dash of t plus 2 minus u dash of t plus 1 minus u dash of t minus 1 plus u dash of t minus 2. Now second derivative, dx double dash of t by dt is equal to u of t. Differentiation of u of t will be delta of t. Delta of t, t plus 2 minus delta of t plus 1 minus delta of t minus 1 plus u of, plus delta of t minus 2. This is the solution. For this, we have to sketch. At t is equal to minus 2, we have a plus 1. At t is equal to minus 1, we have a minus 1 amplitude. At t is equal to plus 1, minus 1 amplitude. T is equal to 2, plus 1 amplitude. For this, you have to sketch the signal. Got everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, please make a note of this. See, I have stopped up to here, u of t. You have to sketch the signal for u of t. This x dash of t, you have to sketch a signal. Then for this also, you have to sketch the signal. If you have any doubts, it is there in the notes. You can go through it once. I have shared notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever the problem I had given assignment, all problems it is there in the notes. I mean, what we are going to solve by in the class, I will give some homework problems now. Those problems, it is there in the notes. You can go through and see the assignment problems also. What we uploaded today, most of the problems you will have in the notes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Try to solve those problems. Within that problems only you will get. See, don't prepare for any copying. You cannot copy this time. I don't know what about theory subjects, but problematic subjects you cannot copy. Why? Because the problems will not be repeat. The similar problems you can get. Whatever the problems you have assignment 1, the same problem with a different values we have one more copy. With that we are going to give in the question paper. Those who are really solving the problems properly, they will get to know and they will get good marks. Those who are preparing for copy, they cannot survive because we have not given solution for that problems. Whatever the problems we had given in the question paper, we have not given solution anywhere for those problems. Keep it in mind. If it is there in assignment somewhere else, you can copy. Okay. We'll try some other type of problems. Then afternoon first hour I have class, right? Actually second hour today.
Yes, sir.
Actually we are at
First hour, sir.
but we need to finish the portions, so that I'm going to take that class afternoon first hour. We'll discuss graphical representation for even and odd signal. Whatever the mathematical representations we already discussed in the even and odd signal, but graphical representation we didn't discuss because we need to study about time shifting, time scaling. Then only we can discuss that reflection, everything. That is why I skipped there, so that now we have already discussed about your elementary signals, operations and signals, so that now we can discuss about those signals. About even and odd function for the graphical representation of the signals. Okay, before that we have some different type of problems. Usually in the old syllabus they are asking these type of problems. Whether they will ask for the new syllabus, don't know. For worst case we'll prepare for all. Give 1 minute, I will rub this. Okay, remaining, let's see. Okay, take problem. Problem number 142. Sketch. First one. X of t into delta of t plus delta of t minus 3/2. Second one, x of t into delta of t plus 3/2 minus delta of t minus 3/2. Where x of t is given. Where x of t is given. This is your x of t, this is t, this is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3/2 you will get some more here, -1 to 0. This is amplitude 1, 2. This amplitude 2 is from 1 to 2. Okay, write down. take the solution. Here I will solve one problem. You see here, solution. Next our Sunil sir.
Purnima ma'am, sir.
ಹೌದಾ?
Purnima
So,
ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, shall we discuss this in the afternoon or what? Okay, just multiply the signal. First one, what is the signal x of t into delta of t plus delta of t minus 3 by 2? You just multiply the each term, you will get x of t into delta of t plus x of t delta of t minus 3 by 2. What you will do? Delta of t. What is the meaning? Delta of t. If it is delta of t means it is a 0, where x of t at t is equal to 0. Then we have x of t where t is equal to plus 3 by 2. This is t minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 3 by 2 you will get. Why? Because this is a delta function, so that it will not be a continuous signal. So that what we will have delta of t at t is equal to 0. This is the x of t. Whatever the x of t we have across here, we are going to sketch the signal. When x of t into delta of t minus 3 by 2, where t is equal to 3 by 2 means the signal at t is equal to 0, we have an amplitude of 1. At t is equal to 0, what is the amplitude here? In the original signal x of t, we have a amplitude 1. Okay, when t is equal to 3 by 2, what is the 3 by 2 amplitude? 3 by 2 amplitude will be 2. Like that we are going to solve. Then same procedure, x of t into delta of t plus 3 by 2, then t plus t minus 3 by 2. Same you will get, what is the value you will get? At t is equal to 3 by 2 you will get 2, then another signal you will get 0, but you are going to get a minus 2. Okay, solve next one. Then 2 more problems is there, some homework problems is there, we'll discuss in the afternoon. Make a note of this. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. ಚಿನ್ನಿ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಟಿವಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ.